Wicked, wicked. Welcome, welcome everyone. Getting everything filled up over here. I've got my cup of tea, got my cup of coffee. Well, good. Early bird always catches the worm. Yes, sir. 1 second. Let me just do this. There we go, there we go. Okay, so welcome everyone. Get Zoom filling up right now. And I already marked out my charts here, but I'm going to be doing it again. I did it last night for the squad. But morning late, bro. It's not late. The clocks went back. The clocks went back, boy, or forward or whatever. It's 7:17. Taking the day off. It's a new month. Need to relax and let it all start. Yeah, that's fair enough. Good idea. Good idea. I am not. I'm gonna be starting this week off. Just gonna do a YouTube, Instagram post. We are live now on YouTube. Make sure to come and join. Everyone filling up now. Ready for the week. Let's go. So yeah, we're gonna be looking at GJ in gold. 1 second. Oh, this music's vibey. Let's see how people are in Zoom. We've already got 5 people in Zoom. We're ready to look at the charts over here. So make sure you guys send some charts in. I want to see what your analysis is on gold and GJ as well. I think that'll be quite interesting. But yeah, let's get this sorted. 1 second. The stream says no data. 1 sec. Hi, caught 40 pips on gold. Oh wow, okay. Morning, Andrea. Morning. Just waiting 1 second on the stream over here. It's just lagging out a bit, I think. Let's get that off. Here we go. Right. So welcome everyone. We are going to be looking at GJ right now. Let me just turn this music down a bit. I think it's a bit too loud. 1 second. Let me just see the audio over here. So first of all, we need to change on our board over here. It's a new week, so let's get rid of this week. It's a completely brand new week, and let's see what we can do with it.
How are you?
Hello. How are you doing?
Okay.
Good. Right, let's get into this then, guys. So, GJ. Looking pretty good over here. So what I first could see is that the last couple of days we've got a last bearish closure below support, so it's looking quite good. But we also need to look to the left. It is approaching where resistance was. It could act as support, which is quite interesting. But if you do flip this candle over here and exceed the lows, that could be quite good for some sells. The first thing that we can see over here is that we are bullish right now, which is okay. But it looks like it kind of has made a top wick over here, so then maybe continue down. So this is the daily flip. Nice. We've got the 4 hour over here. The 4 hour is rejecting the highs. The 4 hours bearish. But you can see that the 4 hour and the daily are contradicting. One's bullish and one's bearish. So I kind of want them to come together. And it's going to be looking better if we do exceed these lows over here, 156, to flip the daily. So what I can see in the hourly over here, you can start to see that we're in a bit of a range. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah. So preferably for me, I'm trying to think of ways to get in. And for me, there's a lot of traffic to the left. I think possible sells could be nice when we exceed these lows over here. Now I could put it below. Oh shit! 1 second. Let me just move this back again. Now I could put my support below here, but if we drop down from here to here, that's already 15 pips. That's all right. I'm not really too bothered about that. Let me put it here actually. Hey, is daylight saving over or something? Yeah, boy. So I'm kind of waiting for the daily to flip and close below this kind of zone over here. Then we can continue down. First of all, we have some nice wicks to fill all around here, so that's a nice little zone. And if you look, this is the 4 hour support. So if we break this support over here, we'll be coming down to the next support. We always know that supports go to supports. Okay, so if this support gets broken, we're going to be going down to the next support, which is here, which is a nice zone. So if we get into some trades over here, 54 pips. That's going to be looking pretty nice. Zone to get in. If we're looking for potential buys, however, I'm going to be looking at the 30-minute and the 15-minute, and I'm going to be probably wanting buys above over here. There. So you can see there's a little bit of minor resistance here. We've made some resistance in this zone. So this is the current range. For me, this range in here is a no trade zone. Okay? So no trade zone until we come below over here, and then I'm looking for sells below. Let me just tighten this up a bit. 1 second, like here. So I'm kind of looking for sells below 155. Sorry, 155.955. I think that's going to be looking pretty good. So sells below. Yeah. So if you guys are in Discord and in Zoom, make sure to come and put some charts in for me. I'm going to take a look as well. Let's get the stacks today. Yes, boy. We've got 50 people already, guys. We've got a lot of people coming in. And I'm going to be looking for buys above as well. And you know that'll be nice because we'll get the daily and the 4-hour for the buys, which makes it a lot easier. You know, try and keep the higher time frames with you. Okay, don't try to 1 second. Don't try to go against just one of the time frames. Try and keep them as much as possible together, unless it's quite like a closer back in range zones and stuff like that. Normally we keep them on the higher time frames with us. Morning, bro. Morning, Milan. Morning, Leon. Welcome, welcome. I was about to text you on the ground to say about your stream, and here you are. Yes, sir. So yeah, I think it's going to be quite interesting. This is the zone that I don't really want to play in, but I think if we do break below over here, we're going to be getting some nice trades in. Let's take a look at Forex Factory, okay? So we have no news for us today in our time frame, so that makes it a lot easier for us. We don't have to be worried about different news events. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, or you haven't subscribed, make sure to just like and subscribe. We're here every single weekday. But yeah, I'm just gonna be waiting for closures below. I think it's gonna be a pretty good option over here. Don't even use this traffic, so yeah. About 15 people in Zoom already, amazing. If you guys do have any charts, make sure to send them in here. I'll take a look at Discord as well. In the second, Thursday all news for pound. Ooh, that'll be interesting. I start my Forex funds today. Wow, okay. Cool, wicked. Let's take a look at gold then. Let's take a look at gold. Goldilocks. Okay, so let's just do a fresh analysis as we always do. Let's take a look at the daily time frame over here. Okay. Morning, bro. Morning, everyone. We're filling up nicely over here. So for me, yeah, it's looking good. You know, the daily is bullish right now, which is interesting, but it has been a bit bearish before. This is the daily flip. We always look at the flips because it shows us, you know, on the higher time frames when we're looking at the lower time frames. We can just keep them in mind. 4-hour over here is bullish as well. Kind of making some support from these lows over here, rejecting them lows. Let's take a look at the hourly and 30-minute. Yeah, so we can start to see, you know, pretty easy over here. We've got a resistance right around 1787.48 level, and we've got some support down here. Let's take a look on the yeah, so I think, I mean, if this candle flipped over here and came down, that'd be quite nice, but it looks like it's kind of making some support. Probably sells below 1780 are going to be a bit more valid for me, and then buys above. Okay, I think that's what I'm going to be looking at. What's that red thing you're drinking in the morning? Does it help with the win rate? This is just some juice over here. Yeah, man, it gives me 100% win rate. Good 100% win rate, easy peasy. So yeah, buys above are going to be looking pretty nice over here. It looks to me like it's just making some support right now. But if it does start coming back below 1780, I'm going to be looking for sells over here. So you can see the way we trade, the way we mark up charts, very, very easy. Don't make it hard on yourself. Very, very simple. Let's take a look at Discord then. So we got a lobby over here. Oh shit, move! There we go. So everyone's ready. Looks like we oh, there we go. Charts for the stream. Let's take a look over here. Charts for the stream. Oh, there's no charts for the stream over here. Nice. Everyone knows the charts. It's all good. That's all good. How many people here we've got in? 16 people on a Monday morning in Zoom. We've got 60 people in the YouTube. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. And now we're going to be waiting. So, quite interesting. We'll have to see with GJ. Let's take a look at GA as well. So it's the same thing every single day. If you come here to the charts every day, you're going to be getting used to this. You're going to be used to this. Also, people in Zoom over here, we've hit 50 people. 50 people, damn. 50 people, damn, son. Let's see who's in here this morning. So we've got Scott, we've got Michael, we've got Kevin. We've got Bruce, we've got Ahmed, we've got a lot of people in over here. Session over here is having a good time. Wicked. Let's take a look at the 4 hour then. 4 hour making its bottom wick, rejecting them lows again to maybe continue up over here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. So hourly's kind of rejecting them lows. If we do get a closure above this 30-minute resistance, that could be good to then continue up maybe. And then for me, it's going to be nice sells below here. I can't take any sells in here because of rejections and stuff like that. Morning session. Good morning, Max. Do you expect a lot of volume this morning? There is a holiday in many European countries. We trade GJ, so yeah, could be some volume. It's French bank holiday, Italian, but no UK or Japan, so we're all good, I think. Spider-Man rested, ready for the week. Yes, I had a good sleep last night. I was knackered yesterday, holy shit. And very hungover. Very hungover. Yeah, man. We went to Weatherspoons, got a nice breakfast, or sorted me out. Sorted me out. And yeah, very, very simple. So GJ is in this little zone over here. I want to see what it's going to do when we break out and about. But yeah, for gold over here, if you are making some support, I'm looking at targets to the left. You kind of got some clean candles up over here. Kind of got some clean candles, which could be pretty decent. Could be pretty nice. Okay. But the hourly, the hourly closed bearish here. This could be just making the top wick to then flip. So kind of in a consolidation zone. So is GJ and so is GA really. So we're good. Nothing we have to take straight away, guys. We're all good. G already move lower. Let's take a look at GBPUSD. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like the stream. Let's get 100 likes, easy peasy today. We're growing so fast at the moment. GBPUSD. Oh. Okay, GBPUSD. Oh shit. There we go. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, the daily's coming down over here. Nice. It's been pretty bearish recently, actually. Look at that. It's been rejecting them highs and just continuing to push down. Okay. Clean chart, yeah. Let's look at the hourly. Oh, wow, yeah.
Där sitter du och myser.
That's nice. Just a mute Chrissy boy. Yeah, so that's actually good. That's a good point over here. So GU is in a range, I'd say, from like here to here. It's got the closure now. How big was the stop though? 14 pip stop, 14 pip gain. That was quite good. And hourly's continuing down. Let's take a look to the left, coming towards next support. Nice. Oh, there we go. 15-minute chart. Yeah. Tasty. Wait for the top wick and exceed the low. That was nice. Very, very good. Yeah, that's cleaner than these at the moment, actually. Pretty easy. Coming down now. Starting to touch where resistance was. So what happens when there's resistance? It could act as support. So like here, it could act as support. And that's just with price action. But yeah, we're just chilling today, guys. Nothing much that catches my eye yet, but it's all good. It's all good. Looks like 7 AM had a little bit of volume, but it's still kind of chilling. Still kind of chilling. Wow, we're filling up nice on Zoom now. 23 people. Jeez. Jeez, we haven't got any gulag questions today though, guys. Let's take a look. Yeah, 7:30. That's why it's very, very early. Time to take some profit if you're in this trade. Yeah, if you're in GU sells over here. That 50-minute here closure was a bit too weak for me, so yeah, I'll be taking some off. So when you see a candle like this, like that, you know, look how far it ran. The body of the candle is very, very small. The actual candle volume is very small as well. So normally kind of shows that I could be making some resistance, and then this next one over here dips down, and then maybe closes like this, and then this, and this, and then you'll just lose all your money. So GJ sells below 156.09. No, I want to completely leave this zone. If you got in at sells at 0.9, so it's like here, the daily's still bullish and it's just in this range. I'd rather wait until we get closures below over here to get a safer trades, clean candles here, wicks to fill, and then to continue to the left. So I don't want to be doing any silly trades or any trades in at the moment. 7 AM is the new London Open. That's why I'm trying to test today. It wasn't really though, to be honest. We'll see at 8 o'clock. Yeah, below that range of the daily flip. Exactly, so I'd rather have the daily flip with us, the 4-hour bearish as well, and then continuing down, because look, this is quite a big 4-hour support. If we do break it, we should be quite good over here. Simples. So last week we had a great week. Let's see if we can beat that or do the same. If not, then that's fine. We take what we are given. Especially in the group over here, we went through a kind of psychology webinar here.
What up, guys? Welcome to
talking about our week. You know, we had a beautiful week, but actually how that can be kind of a negative as well. Talking about confidence over here. Yeah. Because, you know, last week should be feeling very, very good and confident, but what happens when you don't have a good week and you're not feeling too confident? That's the thing that makes you a trader and doesn't make you a trader. You have to be disciplined. Let's have this cup of coffee then. 67 people, it's already 7:30. Sheesh, we are growing too quick on this channel over here, guys. By the end of Friday, I hope to have 1,000. Let's try and get 1,500 subscribers. I think we could get that over here. 130, 1,371. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, I haven't heard anyone hit the subscribe button yet. Make sure to subscribe. We're here every single weekday. We are the funnest and most consistent YouTuber live stream. So, consistent as in like I'm always here, and consistent as in my trades are pretty nice. When is London open now? In 30 minutes, right? Yeah. Yeah. That's what it's meant to be, for sure. Hopefully you can bring us some volume over here. This GU I'm getting interested in. The 4 hours looking nice. The hourly's coming up. As long as you get a nice hourly closure over here, I think it could be quite solid. For real, for real. 41 likes, amazing, guys. Yeah, Zoom is filling up nicely over here, so we're getting a good chat now. So NY session later on today. If you guys do want to join our NY session and our mentorship group, bear in mind, 54 people have joined and only 1 or 2 has left. That's gonna tell you something. But thanks for your tutorial ideas. But is it okay you put watermark on your charts, please? Oh, I can't stand it. It looks awful. I'm sorry. I tried it before, but I can't. Just look. Just I don't know. Just let's see it again. Oh, look at it though. It's rotten. Do people like that or not? You guys tell me. London Open is 7 AM now. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna wait. I think you mean 7 AM, but actually 8 AM. It's just the clocks have gone back though. So it shouldn't really affect it. I'm pretty sure it's all good. But yeah. Do people like that watermark or not? Someone tell me. Yeah, leave the watermark. Okay. Okie dokie. I'll try and forget about it. Yeah, so gold is just chilling over here. Let me just do this watermark as well Ah, you can do opacity. That's okay, bro. Nice. Okay. As long as you can see it, that's all good. That's all good. Oh shit! What did I just do then? Oh yeah. So now I've been looking at some PCs over here, and I'm thinking of getting one. Basically, because obviously I can do my job anywhere in the world as long as I can have a computer to do the live streams, and like, I can go to like my girlfriend's more. I can go on holidays and shit. So I'm planning on buying. I can't get a MacBook Pro because it doesn't have Magic Keys on. It doesn't have MetaTrader on. So I'm just gonna be looking for a good laptop over here. Where is it? NY session will start hour before in the US. They haven't changed their times. Oh right, yeah. So whatever time it is, like so now it's 7:37, and it'll be in like 4 hours time. Yeah. Yeah, 4 hours time. Get a razor blade. Yeah, I looked at this one, so I just want one that's got an actual GPU in, like a proper RTX one. Where the fuck is it? Try and find it over here. I want one with loads of ports in as well. I saw one with loads of ports. Maybe it's third. It's around about £1,000, but I thought it was worth it. Like it looked pretty good, the specs. Let's take a look over here. Is it that one? No. I have no idea. I have no idea. But yeah, I want to get a beefy one so then I can go traveling on that shit. Dell Express is also good, but too expensive for the spec. MacBook design and quality, and it's sexy just like you. Razor blade. What do you mean a razor blade? Razor. I swear razors are fucking expensive as well. Oh, it's got 60 hertz. I don't think I could go back to 60 hertz. Let's take a look. Yeah, this has got a GTX. The one I looked at had an RTX 3050 Ti in. It had like loads of ports. It had 120 hertz. It was good. Razer Blade comes with a 3080. Yeah, it's pretty. Well, this one's fucking $2,000. Holy fucking shit. I really want that Mac as well, but not the best, but it's not expensive. Yeah, that's true. I'll take a look at Huawei. I know they do some good ones actually. They do some good ones over here. 71 viewers. Sheesh! Nice Spider-Man costume. Thanks, man. Yeah, it was good fun. It comes to the 3060, 3080, and a Ryzen 5800. Oh wow, shit. The Lenovo Legion 7 Pro. That sounds pretty good over here. Cause then I can just fucking chill in Dubai all year. Oh, I think this is one I was looking at actually. Has it got like a back port thing? Yeah, look at the ports. Yeah, this is the one I was looking at, I think. Cause I like the back ports like that. Really easy to get to. Does it have a what's the screen? 165 hertz as well. Fuck, I can play CS:GO on this bitch. I could play CS:GO in like the airports and shit. Morning, wait. Are you waiting for a 30-minute closure on GA? Yeah, I think that'd be pretty nice. Yeah, I think that'd be pretty solid in 18 minutes time. I think that'd be pretty Gucci. Oh wow, 240 hertz. Jeez, there's some PCs, man. Max, any idea about long in Bitcoin monthly chart? We have a wick, but is it big enough? Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here. Bitcoin USD. Like this, yeah. I actually marked out the chart a couple of days ago. Let's take a look whilst we're waiting for GGA to sort itself out. So the daily time frame. Fucking hell, is this daily? This daily's, you know, done well actually over here. Pulled all the way down. It looks like it came down over here to this little liquidity pool that keeps on going into here. Can you see the wicks that are all approaching here? And then it's coming out now. Okay. 4 hour is coming. Okay. So hourly time frame 30 minutes. I mean that's quite a big ball. That's looking pretty good. But if you live talking a cheap monitor wherever you are sorted, yeah, exactly. A laptop that I can like, fit in my bag, that'd be pretty sick. For me, I think closures above 62611 could be pretty good to continue back up to these highs over here. Are they all-time highs? Yeah, I mean, it's just in this range over here, but I think if it does break above there, it's going to be pretty good to continue. And the 4 hour closes in an hour. When does it go back to 10 AM? Oh, we've got another subscriber over here. Thank you, Osama, for subscribing, my boy. Thank you. What were you saying here? Wait, on the 4 hour candle, the 4 hour candle closes in an hour. When does it go back to 10 AM? What, for like here? Oh, yeah. Look how big those wicks are on Bitcoin. Yeah, they're fucking huge. Yeah, this time zone thing is really fucking me up. I just don't get what's happening. Like, why the fuck have we only got an hour left here then? It's just being weird. Why can't we just all stay at one time? I think long on Bitcoin when we pass that resistance would be pretty good. So GJ, I am patiently waiting, but you know, I'm not really trying to get in early. I'm not trying to be silly. You know, I'm waiting. Because I know the probability setups are going to be with me when they come, but there's no point getting into trades when there is no setups over here. You know, the one thing that I teach probably the most out of any other person is discipline and not taking any trades. You have to be disciplined, and then when the trades do come, you can unleash the beast and you can make a shitload of money. You just have to chill though. Like, all of the trades last week were very, very simple. Very, very nice. This is the boys we were all eating.
Gonna have to make a bottom wick over here, boys.
Yeah. Come on, nah. Let's just hope it flies.
Hope it flies. Hope it flies. You're gonna...
That's Finny and Ben. Are they Finn in here? Yeah, Finn's in here. So that was a great one. Hello, my boy.
Sorry, my probably sounds like shit.
Ready for a new week. How was the weekend?
Good, man. Good. Yourself?
Yeah, good, man. Very, very hungover.
Oh, you're telling me.
Wicked. We'll start another week off beautiful again. Yeah, boy. So yeah, like all of these trades here, guys, very, very simple. Waiting for closures. Look, every single one. Waiting for closures, waiting for lower wicks. You know, our win rate last week was 87.5%. It's not because, you know, it's luck. It's because I wait for the proper moves. What's the point in getting into moves that could work when I can wait patiently for moves that are very, very highly profitable? Like here as well. This is a nice actually breaking above. But yeah, don't worry about it. Just chill. You got all week to take trades. You can't be rushing any trades. GBPUSD, yeah, looking good. In 13 minutes time, I want to close you above. This 15 here, you know, you could get it on the break, but for me, I'm going to be waiting patiently for the 30-minute to close, and I want it to close like this. Then the lower wick, and then boom! So I'm looking for. Very, very simple. If you guys haven't liked or subscribed yet, make sure to do that, guys. We're here every single day. We've got a big community now. We've got over 25 people in Zoom, over 70 people on YouTube. Bear in mind, I started this in like fucking end of July or start of August. Start of August when I was getting like 3 viewers. To be fair though, I actually wasn't really. I don't know why, but I think I've been very, very lucky for people liking, subscribing to me, because if you actually go to my like last one over here, it's like my first one was really this one, I think. See, 110 views, still 10 likes. Some people get that now. What the fuck am I doing here? Look, these are the OGs. If you guys are here, that's some OG shit.
Right, so I think that's hit my entry now. Or just about. Yeah, there we go.
Gold
So
buys.
this is crucial. This price.
Wow, I got a nice trade over here.
We are looking for forecast. We don't really care about previous.
Look at that, 10 likes. Oh, back in the day. See, that wasn't even that long ago. That was literally like the July time. Right, come on, GJ, give me something now. You're boring me. Come on, GJ. Let's get a watermark in here so you guys know where I'm trading. There we go. But yeah, getting in here like for buys and sells, you're just gonna be risky. Just chill out, boys. Boys and girls, we are relaxing over here. But you know, we know our supports, we know our resistances. Now we let price play in until we see some good moves. I'm liking this though. When this hourly closes like that, oof, that could be pretty good. That could be pretty good over here. What time is it now? 7:48. Coming towards London Open very, very soon. Also, guys, make sure to go and follow the gram if you guys haven't already. Nightbot's put it in there. Make sure to always tag me in, like you watching the streams and stuff like that. It's all pretty good. So pretty good.
Hey, Matt.
Hello, my boy.
You know how you said you changed time frames before?
Yeah.
Does that not mean London Open stays the same and just becomes an hour earlier for you, or does that still become an hour later?
I still think it's an hour later as well. I think because the times have changed. Well, but we'll see. But I'm pretty sure it should be with us. I should open at 8. But you know, it's quite confusing to be honest, because you know people who like big banks aren't really trading this. It's computers. But then I think computers go back as well. So I think it should be okay. I think it should be good. I'm not really too sure though. So we'll see. We'll see. If volume comes in here, then we'll know. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm not too sure. But that 7 AM didn't really look like an 8 o'clock move, to be honest. It pushed down quite nice, but there's always like a little move at 7 AM. I think we're still alright over here. So flipping this 30 over here. 10 minutes time. Okay. Hourly's coming down, rejecting them highs. But you know, getting into here, you know, and especially in like this zone, could be dangerous because look towards the left. What happened before? We got some wicks here. We got some wicks all the way here. We got some wicks here. It's just not a clean place. We always look left, try and find clean candles. That's what we're doing. That's what we doing. So yeah, patiently waiting. Let's take a look at gold. Is gold actually doing anything? Gold did make a little bit of support, but now it's just relaxing, really. Nothing too much. Nothing too much. So, Forex Factory at bottom right tells you when sessions open. Convert in your time zone as well for those that are confused what time changes. Yeah. Yeah, look. So yeah, we are right. It's all good. 8 AM over here. Coming right now. Begins in 9 minutes. That's quite good, that, isn't it? So Tokyo is starting to close very soon. Sydney already closed. Then yeah, interesting. New York will open at 12 my time. And then if we go through them more, actually. What is this? What is this, boy? Ooh, look at that volume coming in now. Nice. Flipping the 30. 30's continuing down over here. Good. Dude, 72 likes, no, not 72 likes, 73 people ready for London Open. This is a new month as well, so you know you have to see the monthly time frame. Is it just making a top wick or a bottom wick or whatever? Gonna be interesting to see where we go. It's interessante. I like that you have the watermark now. Thanks. No bother. Yeah, I'll keep on. I'm not too bothered about it actually. It's all right. It's all right. could probably make them a bit more opaque. Yeah, I'm not too bothered about it. I'll keep that on for you guys. Let me do this one as well. GBPUSD. There you go. So you guys know what chart I'm on now. Wicked. 76 viewers. We're doing amazing over here. But yeah, GJ just needs to come, give me some moves. But I'm not getting in early. I am going to be doing it, managing it properly, all that good stuff. 51 likes before even London Open. Damn! And we'll see if we can get some volume for 8 o'clock. It is a new month. Normally there's a bit of volume in a new month I've seen. So hopefully that could be reciprocated here. Yeah, for me there's nothing on gold at the moment. Like it's just a bit floppy. Sells below 1780 though, I think could be valid. Could be valid for sure, for sure. Come on, pump down another 10 pips over here. Show me what you're made of. Let's see, GA, is it closing? Ooh, oof. 6 minutes time, doesn't really look like it's getting a nice closure over here. We wanted this candle to kind of close like this. And it has not, unfortunately. This one to then continue. It has not. Wow, GBPUSD, that was a great trade. So we're doing about 22 pips now. You'd have had 0 drawdown as well. Pretty good. That was pretty solid. So look, we're coming towards the yellow line over here. What does that mean? That means the daily is going to be flipping. Look at that. Oof, that's going to be nice. Let me lock that in place. So when we do flip the daily, you know, is this making the top wick to then continue and drive down? Probably. It's rejecting the highs, so it's looking pretty good for sales very, very soon. I'm going to start writing out a signal just to be ready in case we start getting some nice closures. Wow, 53 people in Telegram. Holy shit, we got a group and a half now. Damn. If you guys do want to join for this week, make sure to come and join the mentorship bot. It's literally just there. Just go through it and you could sign up for the week. For the month. Sorry. Brand new month. It's the best time to do it, to be fair. Hi gang, joined yesterday. Have been looking for a group. Who does London and NY? Hello Chris, welcome. I for sure do it. Most people here do actually. Put in the chat if you do NY as well, guys. There's normally, I'd say there's probably less people in NY, maybe. There's probably like 20 people in NY. But in NY we talk a lot more together, because I think people are too scared to talk when they're on YouTube. But when we're together we talk a lot more. But put in the guys, everyone put in the group if you trade NY as well, if you're going to be in the NY session.
We can't talk when you're on YouTube. We talk that much shit, you'd be banned in a week.
You talk that much shit.
Yeah, fair call.
The Aussies are in full force today. The Aussie boys. Right, let's take a look. GJ. There we go. Yeah, a lot. I would say like 80-90% of people here also trade NY as well. We've got a big group, to be honest. Yeah, if you're new here, Chris, as well, make sure to go through all of the webinars and stuff, especially the start ones. So you can just go here. Make sure to download these photos. These are all like the setups that we take. They're pretty good setups that were very, very high probability. And then go to videos. You've got 34 videos. Holy shit. And make sure to go through them. I'll just go from start to finish. So not this one. This one's just talk about mentorship. But here, the psychology one. Group. That was the first video. Then we do weekly outlooks. You can see how we look at the weeklies. I do recapped on trades. That's quite good as well if it's a really good day. A risk management one. This is really, really fire actually. Talking about how to manage risk, which I think a lot of people over here are doing well on actually. It's one of the things I've realized. A lot of people in the group have been managing risks very, very well. DXY is going up. Ooh, wow. DXY. Oh shit, GBPUSD. Come on, get that closure, boy. Get that closure, boy. So if we got in just on the 15, right? How big will the stop be? If we've got in like here, 15 pips, 20 pip gain. Not too shabby. Wicked. And then also the chat as well, doing well. Yeah, GJ's playing. Look at the 5 minute. 5 minute is not showing me anything. It's showing me a range, okay? So when you identify that, you chill, you relax. Don't be trying to take any trades, because the days where like the price isn't the best, you could just lose all your money for the trades that are good. Like if you just left the day out, it'd be good. I always say that, you know, I do the restaurant analogy all the time, but if you've got a restaurant and you know today's gonna be a bit bad, why are you having the full 100% of the staff? Why don't you take like half the staff off, because it's gonna be not as good as the day, because you're still gonna have to pay them the costs of having the shop open. Just chill. If you know the market's not gonna be good in the day, just chill out. Wait until it gives you a sign, which could happen at NY, could happen here. I have to see. 81 views, 99 likes, not 99 likes, 55 likes, sorry. Good start to the week. Really good start to the week. Gold pushing down, let's take a look, yeah. Yeah, just flipped the hourly, which is good. The 4 hour and now the daily are bearish over here. It's looking pretty good. Should continue back down to where we're looking. I think 1800 is going to be nice. Only about 20 pips away. And that means we can get rid of all this traffic over here. Continue. GJ's pulling up over here. Damn! And GU is the nice trade today. Really solid closure. For me, if this was GJ, I would have to have a bit more of a bigger top wick, I think, because GJ normally makes bigger top wicks. Have you taken any trades? Nope. There's no trading opportunities right now. But I'm waiting, I'm hunting. Did you learn? Oh, sorry, I didn't see this. Did you learn from Rajabank? Yes, I learned some things from Rajabank. I looked some things for Ted. I just learned from a lot of different people. I learned like the lines and stuff for like trading with Monty, key levels and like that. There's loads of different things. So hourly has closed over here. This is London Open, okay? There's absolutely nothing for me to see here for GJ. And taking a look at gold though. Gold got a nice closure. Nice closure. That should continue after these lows for sure. Was watching Dr. Law this quickly Oak Revenge trade this morning, then just close the stream. Oh god. Yep. I think I saw that. He's good. Just used to chill. I think he was looking for buys and sells and chill over here. Look at GJ. Oh, look at that. Look at that 30-minute closure. Bullish, exceeding the highs. Nice. For me, I'm still not going to touch it because what's the point, right? I could get in here when I can just wait a bit higher, get rid of all of this traffic over here. Look how many resistance lines there is. Obviously, we could just break above. That's fine. But look how many resistance lines. Have to be careful. EJ flew. Wow, EJ flew, and it's a bank holiday for EJ. Wow. Nice. But yeah, you can see resistance to the left, so there's no point getting in now. Even though it can work because we've got London Open, I'd rather just wait patiently. 4 hours bullish now. Mad. GBPUSD didn't get the closure above that we were waiting for. That's completely fine. That means you just have to wait for maybe another 15 minutes. That's completely fine. Oh wow, GJ's really pushing over here. Holy shit. So is today more of a no trade? Maybe not. The start there it was, but at the moment it should be good. Do you do impulse entries? Yes, I do. Sometimes do impulse entries, but I normally take my time with it. Call a trade when you see one. My class just started. Okay. My class just started like that. I've got class. Thing is, what I like is if we get rid of this range over here, then we've got clean candles to the left, which is like a 40 pip range, which could be delicious. Cyclical gold. Gold just making a top wick. The hourly closing down. Let's see how big this zone is. 14 pips. I like the hourly close in there. That's pretty good. And it is just making the top wick to then continue down over here. Right, GJ's on some next level shit. Damn! Oh, go on, get a nice closure. 12 minutes time. Not going to take any impulses here because it's a clear resistance. I like to know that we're breaking it first before we then continue. For sure, for sure. Yeah, GJ just chilling. So, you know, if you start buying here, now you're in some drawdown over here, just wait. If you don't get in, this is probably the only place I would have got in. On the 4-hour flip, which would have been exceeding the highs. Kind of like a celery play, but, you know, there's a lot of traffic to the left over here. It's just a very low probability setup, so I only take high probability setups. So, 11 minutes time and get that closure, boy! I mean, people who are looking at gold, potentially if this candle flips and exceeds the lows, the only issue is the stop loss. So, if we got in there, 17 pip stop for a 12 pip gain is not the best, is it? That is my only issue with that. So, I'm going to have to wait until furthermore down here. Ooh. That's what I'm going to have to wait for. So 10 minutes time for this closure. Hopefully we can get that. GJ just sorted itself out with all this volume, man. So it just moved up here 10 pips. Now it's chilling. 58 likes. Make sure you like the stream if you guys haven't already. If you guys haven't taken a trade and you're doing your discipline, make sure to like the stream. Be patient. Yeah, I'm not taking as stop on gold has exceeded my limit. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good management there for sure. Yeah, it's too big now, really. GA looks nice. Yeah, I think GA does look nice. As long as we get this closure over here and a nice lower wick. We could miss the move though, you know. 10 minutes left. It's got enough time to run off, but for me, I'm gonna be waiting. Look at the hourlies though. The hourly looks good. The 4-hour looks good now. So it's looking pretty good. So how would I get into a trade over here? So GA, I'll be looking for buys. Okay. Buy stop. 1.8. So around about 1.82. 300. And 1.8. Oh, fuck off. I did that wrong. 1 second. I'm speaking to myself. 1.8 to 200. Okay. So looking for targets over here. Obviously, we're not getting like 10-15 pips from GA, which will bring it to this resistance. That's fine. Furthermore, where else would I want to go? Probably here. So this would be like TP2 for me. TP2. Make that green. And then TP3 would be like up here. Nice. Let's write this out. 1.8334. Sorry guys, I'm just speaking to myself over here. Buy stops in GA. Once we get a closure. If we don't get the closure, then nope. Okay. What I'm wanting is this candle to do this. Okay. Close like that. Then, when this candle then starts to make the low wick here, then I'll be having a buy stops above, probably like around about here, and then boom. and then I'm looking at my zones to look at it. So it should be good as long as it happens. Pretty nice. GJ is running off over here. Good. Starting to get out of this little range it's in, which would be nice. GU's having a little pull up, not too bad. And gold is making the top wick of the hourly. GJ moving up 2, yeah, for sure. Nothing to take the trade though. Just always look left and look at what could go wrong. Well, this could go wrong. This could go wrong. Whereas if you just wait for here and a closure up here, then nothing can go wrong because it's beautifully and clean. Very sure he won't upload it. Wait, what's this for? Oh, thingy bob. $. He needs to let the emotions not get to him and just chill. Come on, boy, get some momentum in here, my man. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it's coming nicely. It's coming nicely. It's coming good. 85 viewers over here. Starting to get some good volume now. I'm happy with this. 6 minutes time. Being very, very, disciplined though. I'm only getting it if this closes like quite strongly above like that. I think that'll be really, really good option. Next one makes the lower wick, and then I enter. I either can have stop loss below the lower wick forming, or here, and then if we do exceed the low, I will exceed the low of the current. I'll take off 50% probably. Are you waiting for a closure of the 15 or the 30? Both. I don't mind if it's 15 or a 30. Whatever's the score. Probably 15 over here. I think 15 will be a good option. So the reason why I'm waiting for a closure is because price can come around here, and if it likes it, it's going to stay in. If it doesn't like it, it'll start to retrace quite hard. So it's kind of just giving you that extra confirmation, so you don't get, hit out on impulses, etc., etc. Hour looking nice. We already know when to leave before we enter, boy. Yep. Very, very true. So that's actually very, very true. So like all of our trades, everyone knows, when's you're gonna take some off. Because what I'm doing now, especially for NY, when I can speak to these guys more when they're a bit louder, I always ask them, where do you think we should take off 50%? And then they all discuss, and then we talk about why we should take it off over here. You should all be closing half, and that's a really, really hard thing. I know a lot of people don't like closing, and magic keys really just help you with that. So I think this magic keys is a literal lifesaver for stuff like that. Oh, look at GJ over here. Yeah, this is definitely London Open. Oh, look at that celery play here. Oh, 16 pips. Holy smokes. Looking good, looking good. Passing the 30-minute resistance now. I'm going to be a bit cautious over here, but this is the main one I kind of want to break above. On the 15. It's got a little resistance here as well. GA is the one I'm looking at though over here. So don't run off, boy. So let's see now. 17 pips on GA. Okay. Okay. Did you just actually work on every pair since it's price action candles? Yep. Every single pair is just price action, waiting for closures above and below. Very, very simple. Kind of want this to close a bit further down so I can get a nicer flip, I think. Here we go. Anywhere around this area should be good. 30-minute, where's the 30-minute look? It looks pretty good, like, I'm not gonna lie. So let me start recording. It's about to go down when we maybe start recording over here. 3 minutes left to get a closure. GU, oh, gold is starting to come down over here. Look at that. Tap the zone, starting to flip. Look at the 5 minutes. Oh, that is juicy. Only got 3 minutes after the 15 though, which is a bit annoying. I'd probably wait until this 15 closes, probably a week, and then when it exceeds the low, then you can take a trade. The only issue I have is a stop loss. This is why I'm not looking at it, because it's only like a 12 pip zone, and the stop loss is like 17, so not really the best. Not really the best, boy. So let's see this. Let's get my GA chart up over here. Oh, let's get that fucking noise off. There we go. Let's get this stupid noise off. Thank you very much. Very, very annoying. There we go. Right. And let's see if we can get a nice juicy trade. If not, then we'll be managing it as we go along. 2 minutes time, 2 minutes time, 2 minutes time. So we can either get in on the flip, on the exceed, and I'll see how big this lower wick is. I kind of want a big lower wick, hopefully. And if not, then I'll have to see, maybe getting in, like, exceeding the highs. Maybe. How many pairs do you trade on Y? I trade mainly GJ and gold, and sometimes GA. GA we backtested for a month, and now I'm quite comfortable with it. But yeah, three pairs. I don't need any more because I make enough money with the 2 I've got, the 3 I've got. Closer for GJ. Nah, nothing. I don't think. I think GA looks a bit cleaner. I think GA looks a bit cleaner. GJ could also close. Yeah, the only issue I have is the 15 minutes, so it's got stuff here. It's got this traffic here, so I kind of want closures above 460. Wow, GU pulled up. Someone was loud there over here. Yeah, I'm excited for NY session though with the boys and girls today. It's gonna be very, very fun. Gonna be very, very nice. So 50 seconds left. Let's see how this opens. Gets a nice closure above. Look at the 5 minute. Ooh, a 5 minute wasn't the best. "35 seconds left, boy." Look at the 30 minute looking good now. Looking good. 25 seconds left. So yeah, I'm just wait for a closure. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure you like the stream. It helps me and you out because we can do more giveaways the more people I get in. Because I get the more ad revenue, and then the giveaways can come. Yeah, GJ is chilling. That's a fucking good trade though. Holy crap. Nice, 19 pips. Damn, but it was in a range, so it looks good after, but beautiful. Good a closure. Nice. Now I need a nice lower wick to form over here. Come on, push down, boy. So, I kind of want the lower wick to come round about this area for me to get have a buy stop above. If it runs off now, that's fine. I'm not really too asked. I know GA has quite big lower wick, so not too bothered. But if people want to get into this trade, good for you. 17 pips is a bit too much for me on GA. I kind of want 15. So I'm going to be waiting for this lower wick to form. If it doesn't form and just runs off, nice. But I kind of want this lower wick to come like here, maybe. Then to flip. And then I'll enter. And if it just runs off here, then beautiful. So first target's over here. 15 pips away. That could be pretty solid. 92 viewers in here, amazing. So we're waiting for GA to make a lower wick. We're waiting for GJ to close above. And gold over here. Oof, look at this. Gold's going to flip the 30 minute. Oh, that's going to be looking nice. The only issue I have is the stop loss. Those 5 minutes are pretty good though, to be honest. GJ could get a close. How many pairs do you trade? Well, questions today be very, very small. Not been loads of questions. Not been too many. This should continue now, I think. Just my stop here would be 17 pips for only like 14 pip gain. GJ off, let's take a look. Oh my god. GJ had some X game shit. No closure above bullet for me, so I'm not asked in the slightest for GJ, to be honest. This is quite volatile. Not really too happy with that. GA on the other hand, though. GA on the other hand needs to make me the lower wick. So when you start focusing on one pair, you know, try and keep that pair. Wow, that's 15-minute over here. No bottom wick really, just pounded. It went flying. It went flying. Wow, GU came up over here, literally rejecting the lows, making some support. Damn, son. Damn, Daniel. Just push down a bit further, you pussy boy. Because the reason why I want a lower wick is because then I can take off 50% at some place, which here is just too small, I think. Let's take a look though. So 4 hours on our side. The hourly's looking good. The 30 minutes looking good. The 15's looking good. With a stop loss of 17 pips, is it worth it? Is it worth it? I don't think so. I don't think so. It's really chilling on this 1 minute though. Like holy shit, I can't fucking break it. 385 probably level. So we just chilling. We just chilling. Give me that low wick, boy. I think it's these 5 minutes all pretty bullish over here. Damn. How do you backtest? Do you need to backtest every single entry you trade 100 times before you trade it, or is it better to trade live and learn from mistakes? A bit of both. To do what's like, comfortable for you, what helps for you. I think trading live you can't beat really, but the simulations are pretty good. Like do one every 2 weeks or something. Get your confidence up. It's pretty good. Not gonna lie, it is pretty good. Take a look to the left over here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's looking pretty good. So coming towards a little resistance over here for GJ. Has to be careful. If you get a closure though, could be pretty good to continue as well. Like, damn, look at that 30-minute candle. But he flying, mate. Flying, mate.
Oh my time. I'm stopping the pub.
Finn's in the fucking pub. So 5 minute bearish over here. Not really liking this volume over here. It's kind of dying off. Like look at the minute candles, just kind of ranging. I wanted to make a nice little wick. The only issue is what I'm looking at. I'm always looking at the time of the candle. So 9 minutes left for this 30 minutes close. Is it better for me to just wait for the 30 minute? Because that'll give me extra confirmation, possibly. So that's maybe what I'll do over here. Especially now, I can see this volume's just kind of dropping off. Yeah, what just happened? Gold was looking good with 50-minute stops, back up retracement. Did it? Ooh. Yeah. I think gold can still drop over here, but it's just have to chill a bit more. It would switch to the next chart or something. Instead of navigating through tabs, just click space. Wait, what? No, but the space is what? The charts that I've got open. Nah, it doesn't. It doesn't. It does like a different. Ah, fuck off. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. Sorry for the claps. That is a win clap when we take a nice win. Take a nice win over here. Look at that. So it's tap resistance over here. Now it's starting to retrace. Oh, it's going to make the lower wick of the 15. So, you know, entering on a trade where there's no lower wick is very, very dangerous. Because look, it's going to make one now. I want to sell GJ from there. Maybe not. Maybe not. Hello from Enfield. Lovely. Wait, Enfield as in like Liverpool. Isn't there Liverpool Enfield? Would possibly be chilling on 30-minute closure on GJ since the 15 didn't make a wick. Yeah, exactly. GA making that bottom wick. Yep. So GA is making that bottom wick. These 5 minutes though for me are a bit scaring me. They're not moving as nice as I'd want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for a 30-minute closure in 7 minutes time, I think. Because, you know, we always talk about, you know, in one of our webinars we talk about timings of candles. There's 7 minutes left, so half of the time left for this candle. I want it to kind of push now. Maybe if we do stop flipping and continuing now, I may take it. But at the moment it looks like it's kind of relaxing over here. If we do stop flipping and continuing though, that'd be better. 7 pips stop. So have like a 17 one here and then a 7 pips to close off half. Maybe. Maybe. That could be an option. It's just these 5 minutes like that. Like I like strong candles and now it's kind of resisting over here. Ooh, look at that 1 minute though. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for that 30. It's just gonna give me a bit more extra confirmation. At the moment, you know, it's kind of bearish. It's just chilling over here. I'm gonna get more confirmation because the 30 minutes gonna close above resistance as well. So if you're feeling a bit down on a trade, just wait until the next time frame closes. Like, look, we've got a 15 closure above, which is nice, but the more confirmation is 30 minute because it's longer time. GA heavily bearish from the last daily. Yeah. That's fine. The daily's bullish though. The 4 hours making some support though, and it has a little resistance zone. As long as we get the closure above, we should be continuing up. Yeah, GG over here just having some X game shit, just coming up, kind of not really doing anything for me. So now it's way too much. Sorry, it's way too close to the 30 minutes. I'm definitely going to wait for it now. It's 5 minutes left. Do I really think this candle right now, if I enter the trade, can do this? Like, come all the way down over here, then flip, and then run 10, 15 pips? Probably not. So just relax, take your time. Always look at the candles and how they are forming. And the timing of the candles. If GG passes 156445, would possibly go in for a buy. Potentially. I'm gonna wait for this closure. GA Sports. Wow, look at that. I mean, exactly what I said. You know, be careful getting into trades over here. There's resistance. There's resistance here, so even though it looks good to continue, you have to be careful. You always have to, you know, identify where it could reject. If you got in like here, then Bob's your uncle. You just made loads of money. Okay, don't try and be greedy and get into moves way too late, like here, or exceeding these highs. Wait for the closures. The closures are going to be everything, because look, this candle had 15 minutes to close above, and it couldn't do it. Therefore, this is a resistance. You have to be pretty disciplined with stuff like that. Very 100 views, amazing guys. 63 likes. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure you give it a like. So I'm waiting 4 minutes time now for this closure. Wicked. 15 minutes gonna close bearish, but if you do exceed the high, that could be quite good. But yeah, it is heavily bearish. You are right, but we are getting a good closure above, so that's all I really care about. Oh, gold did the move over here. So where would you stop speed now? Probably above that candle. 13 pips for a 11 pip gain, 12 pip gain isn't the best. That's why I wanted sells below 1780, because it's too small of a range. It's a bit too small. GU if you make resistance, possibly, yeah. It's 15 minute, yeah, it could work. Then drive it back down. Just hourly made the top wick, quite a big top wick pull up. 4 hours pretty bearish though, so yeah, it looks pretty good. So let's take a look for news later on as well, okay? So it looks like we do have US news at 2 o'clock. That looks pretty good. I think that could be a good option. GA is coming up over here now, wicked. So for me, I couldn't get in because it's too close to the candle, so I'd rather wait until this next candle opens, makes the lower wick, and then continues, exceeds the high, and I get in on the high. And I use a half risk on GA because the stops are normally quite big. So if we can get a nice 7 pip stop over here, that's gonna be juicy. That's gonna be juicy, boy. But you know, very, very patient. You know, the discipline's there. If you guys do want to go and recap like these streams, make sure you do, because you know I waited for the closure above, got the closure, waited for the bottom wick, never really happened. Kind of just pissed around in here. Looked at the 5 minute, rejecting really. It's not really giving me anything. So now, you know, time is coming on now. I'd rather wait for this 30 minute, because if this 30 minute over here doesn't close above here, I'm not taking any trades. Because the 30 minute is a higher time frame. It's had 30 minutes to close above resistance. If it can't do that, then there's a clear, strong resistance over here. You get me, you get me. So always think about that. You go, right, you know, it's looking good in the 15 or whatever, but just take a look at other time frames. 30 minute over here. I want the closure. I want like a strong closure above. Like that. Running 20 pips on gold with break even, beautiful. I think the was a 5 minute time frame really good. Here, yeah. Looks like it's coming up now, but this 5 minute bearish is 15 pips, 20 pips, kind of nice. The sell. What? Look at that rejection, goddamn. So yeah, it looks like GJ is gonna probably be in this zone for a while, which is okay. It's not bad. I'm still waiting for sells below. I think they're going to be a really good potential for sells maybe later on. I have to see though. GA need this closure. Strong closure above. Strong closure above. 50 seconds time. Looking pretty good now. Nice. Flipping actually. Wicked. Ooh. It's flipping, it's looking around. Let's see Bitcoin over here. Looking good, looking good. Closed candles are so important. Exactly, my man, exactly. Very, very important. Waiting for candle closures is everything. If you go back on my Instagram, you know, all of my trades are all that kind of stuff. If you do want to follow the Instagram, make sure to give it a follow. The Nightbot's put it in. I'll put it in again. Yeah, make sure to tag me in Instagram. I really, really enjoy that. It's good shit. And I always repost your stories. Always you repost your stories. Yeah, GJ coming back up now again. So, got a closure. Look at the 15 minute. Ooh, oh, it's a doji. It's a doji, boy. It's a doji closure. That's okay. The 30 minute is still alright, and it has kind of rejected them lows. Exceeding them highs will be a good option. Stop loss would be like 9 pips. Could be an option over here. Preferably, I just kind of want the stop loss to come here. A bit further down, that'd be nice. If not, then because this doji, what does this show? What does this doji candle show over here, guys? Someone tell me in Zoom. Someone tell me in Zoom or in YouTube.
Indecision.
Indecision. Good lads. Good lads.
You beat me.
Well done, Stacy. Beautiful. Indecision. So there's indecision in the markets. Kind of means that it doesn't really know if it wants to go up or down. The 30 minute, however, has got a closure above. Okay. And you know, the one thing that is okay is that this 50 minute doji did close above, didn't actually close below. So I think it should continue over here really. But for me, it's looking a bit choppy. I'm not. The 5 minute looks alright, to be honest. Where would my stops be? 9 pips or 20 pips? I do not know. Buy now and sell now. You'll see neutral. #1 trader here. Just short your positions and buy your positions. 66 likes, amazing, guys. GJ kind of didn't really close above over here. I'm just scared of this. I've already moved up quite a lot for GJ. Making some support in the 30 minute, 7:30. His gold came down. Oh my god, yes, gold retraced all the way back up. Kind of tapped the zone and was like, hell no, I'm going up, boy. No way I'm going down. NFP week gonna be interesting. Yeah, boy. NFP week is always interesting. Okay, so GA is making the lower wick now. Look at the 5 minutes though. Oof. Look at the 15. Oof. The one thing I could say is if we do exceed these highs now, like 388, that could be an option. Because it has made a low wick now. I think I'm going to get in here. I think exceeding these highs is going to be an option. And my stop loss is going to be actually a lot tighter on GA. It's going to be on the low that it's creating right now. So it could be like 7 pips. Okay? That's what I'm going to be looking for, I think. If it exceeds the low of the 15, I'm not really too asked. It's the 30-minute low, but I'll be waiting. So as long as my stop kind of stays to 15 pips, that's fine. If it goes any higher, then I'm going to be deleting my buy stops over here. But you know what I'm expecting over here is, you know, this candle to come down. That's exactly what it's doing, making the lower wick, just like this, then come back up, flipping, and then pushing up. Okay, but there's two things that's going to change my buy stops. Either if we close below, back in the zone on the 15, like this, if it close back in this zone here. So if this candle closes in here, then that's a no-no. And the second one is if the stop loss gets too big. So at the moment, my stop right now would be 10 pips. If it goes to 15, then I'm going to delete them. So I have activated my buy stop. It's very, very valuable. We've got a closure below, above, sorry. So 8 to 3. Also, people in the Zoom, when I give the signal out, make sure to put your buy stop depending on your spreads. Just make it so it's above the candles, okay? Like above these. I want it to tap it when it comes above. So if your spread's quite quite big, put it a bit higher than me. But because I'm on IC markets, I got some beautiful spreads, so that's why I could basically put it exactly what it is. So there we go, 293. Yeah, wicked. So I got that already in place. I took sells on GJ. Pray for me, oh god. You took sells on GJ. Yeah. Good luck. Good luck. If we sign up to, wait, what's Jeffers on about? Spreads will definitely tap you in a GG. Yeah, I've just moved them a bit higher. My spreads on GA are nothing. 1 pip, not even that. Because IC Markets is superior. If you guys do want to join IC Markets, use my link. To come and sign up. It's the best one. If you sign up to IC Markets, will our spreads be similar to yours? Yeah, they'll be exactly the same. Raw spread account. Delicious. Look at gold, look at GJ. Look at GJ. GJ's not even 1 pip. It's 0.5 pips. Gold is 1 pip. GA is very, very short as well. So yeah. I wish I had IC markets in the US. Yeah, I know, the US has got some shit rules, man. I don't get them rules. Oh shit. Oh smokes, we're making the lower wick over here. What is the minimum amount of pairs do you recommend someone to trade, and why? 1 to 2. Because why don't you, instead of having like 8 pairs and not mastering any, why don't you just master 1 pair? Be the master of 1 pair, not the amateur of loads. There's no point. You only have 1 set of eyes, so like, what's the point in all that stuff? 1 second. One of my take profits is stupid. 1 sec, guys. 3034. There we go. Let's see over here. Let's see. I want a nice breaking of the highs. Look at the minute candle. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. So we'll see if we can continue over here. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, so I'm pretty clear. The good thing is that we've got the closure above. That's all I'm wanting. This is the setup. I'll show you the setup that this is. This is a great setup over here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Closure above. Here we go. Here we go, matey. Does this look similar or not? Does this not look identical? It's pretty fucking identical, me. Closure above. This is the confirmation candle. This one making a lower wick. When we come in and flip and exceed the high, this is the entry candle. Bob's your uncle. Easy peasy. Very, very simple. This is just a closure above. Simple closure above. These work 80% of the time. Very, very high probability. But I'm keeping an eye on the 15 minute over here, guys, and I'm not liking it. It's got 6 minutes left. Look at the 5 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Not good at all. Rejected them highs over here. Came up, tapped near the hour zone, and then started to push down. So for me, I'm not really confident in this trade anymore. It's pushed way too far down. It came up over here. This candle should have continued. So for me, I am going to be deleting these buy stops over here. I'm not liking it. It's coming on way too much. So no me gusta. And there you go. Because you wait for buy stops, you can analyze the chart. You can see if it's going to be a good trade or not, and then you can get out. So there we go. It has been eradicated. No trade for me. So let's get rid of this. Yeah, there we go. And there we go, there we go. So that's what you have to do. You have to be careful, stuff like that. Oh, looks like maybe your cells are doing okay over here. But remember, what is... This is the thing, right? If so someone's taking a sell on GJ. Now, they can work, they can work. But, what's against you? Well, first of all, the daily's against you. The 4 hours against you. The hourly's against you. The 30 minute isn't against you, and the 15 isn't. So you've got the 15 and the 30 against the hourly, the 4 hourly, the daily. That is the issue, okay? Try and keep them on your side. Even though, yeah, this could work nicely. Try and keep the higher time frames on your side. Why wouldn't you? It's like creating a picture or an art piece without all of your tool brushes. Why don't you just use all of the brushes, and then it's gonna be a lot easier. Move stop loss to break even ASAP. Yeah, if you're in these GJ cells, who's he called? I think it's called Vin. Vin, if you're in these GJ cells over here, I'd probably put your stop loss to break even, because you wouldn't want this candle to flip now. Because if this candle flips over here, like this, then yeah, that's not looking too good. So stop loss to break even, nice. I'm at break even, lovely. People trade based on possibility instead of probability. Very, very true, Scarlett. Very, very true. They'll go, the main culprits for people is I hope. If I hear hope for someone, why are you hoping? Hoping is just a possibility. If you're hoping, if you are some of the words as well. I think is quite a weak. You're not confident. Oh shit. Yeah, GA pushing down over here. Nice. Well, that's the thing. You can. The thing is with our trading method is we have to wait for lower wicks. So when we wait for lower wicks, you don't get tapped. Like someone here would have entered on the closure, and now they would have just been hit out. If I wait for the lower wick, however, a lot easier. And this is why, if you look at my moves on the Instagram, our trades we take, a lot of our trades are very, very easy to take because you just wait for the low wicks. It's very, very easy as well for taking signals from me because it's always buy stops and sell stops, so you never miss the move really. You get 5 minutes to get in. So wow, look at that. So rejecting them highs, a fake out on GA over here, and yeah. Wow, looks like GA really is pushing down over here. Damn. Look at that rejection. So even though the 30 minute closed above, you have to wait for the low wick to form and then exceed. I could have got in on the flip, but for me, because I saw the 5 minutes kind of rejected these highs, I wanted to exceed them. It's actually a planned entry. I'll send the chart. Yeah, wicked. I'll send a chart for me, please. So I'm taking a look at Discord as well, actually, over here. So beautiful. Everyone in the Zoom, you know, will be here for the NY. If you guys do want to join the NY session, make sure to come and join the mentorship group. We have 10 sessions a week, 10 live streams a week, signals every single day for NY and London. We have a webinar every week. We have a simulation every week. We have a drop-in session every week. Actually, I'm going to do the drop-in session tomorrow at 9:30 after London. That's what I'm going to do. I was going to say today, but actually I'm going to do it tomorrow. A lot easier for tomorrow. I've got stuff to do today. Potential daily top wick for GA fake out to push back to the lows. Yep, looks like it, doesn't it? It very much looks like it. So yeah, you know, a lot of stuff for the mentorship. And as I said, right, 53 people are in my mentorship. It's been done for like over a month now, a month and a half, and only like 2 or 3 people have left. So that kind of shows you something, doesn't it? Yeah, so that indecision candle over here gave me a bit of a less probability, so I kind of wanted to wait. I like NY way more than London. The volume is so different, it makes it so much easier. Yeah, true. I think you know, sometimes the one's better than the other. Last week was a very, very good week for London. Wow, Vin's in some good profits here now. Damn. Can we get in Discord chat for NY? Yeah, there's a Discord there. You guys can all hop in there for sure. If GJ flips now, GJ... Thing is though, for me, GJ didn't close above this support that I marked up, so... Do you always trade with sell or buy stops? Sometimes I just take the entries, but most of the time, yeah, because I'm waiting for the low wicks, and then I don't have to worry, you know. Buy stops and sell stops are really good because I don't have to get FOMO because I'm not missing the move because it's already there, it's ready to go. And you can put it what sounds reasonable, whereas before, when I didn't have buy stops and sell stops, I'd potentially get in a bit earlier just because I didn't want to miss the move, push really quickly. Whereas now, you know, the MetaTrader, you know, enters for me. I don't have to deal with it. So it's very, very good for FOMO, so you don't miss out. It's very, very good for your emotions. It kept at bay. You know, simple. Wow, so GA fake out over here on the 30-minute. It has exceeded the low as well, so no good. 50-minute is closing bearish, back in the zone, so it should fill the zone up over here. So yeah, 99 viewers. Do you always make giveaways with the members in your mentorship as Magic Keys one? Yeah, so actually the mentorship giveaway is going to be done this week. I was going to do it on Friday, but I'm going to do it this week. Over £100 I'm going to give away back to people. Yeah, I just do giveaways every so often. But the Magic Key giveaways I kind of give to YouTube because they're not too expensive. They're pretty good. But the big giveaways are for... So yeah, as I said, like when we hit like 100, if we get like 100 people in the mentorship, I'll be giving away iPads, computers, Apple Watches, AirPods, all that cool shit. So that'll be pretty fun. So yeah, a 15-minute closure respecting the resistance over here for GJ. GA as well, respecting the highs, closing back in the zones. Gold is kind of chilling as well, so not really too much, which is fine. We tried to take a move there, and unfortunately, it didn't get activated, and we closed it. Sorry, we didn't get entered, and we left it alone because it didn't really give me what I wanted. Sub champ, sub Jonesy boy. 69 likes. Let's try and get to 100 likes, guys. If you haven't liked the stream yet or subscribed, just give it a nice subscribe. You get notified when I post. You know, really helps out. Let's see how many subscribers we are. Really want to hit 1,500 this week. I think we can do that. We haven't had that many today, actually. Only 2 subscribed. Quite a quiet day for Monday. Mondays are quite quiet, actually, I've realised. I'm brand new here. Oh, amazing. Nice to meet you, man. We're here every single morning. Very, very easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeeze. You do this every single day. Entered in a buy for GJ when it touched. Planned on losing 1k but lost 680 by closing loose early. Risk margin on key. Beautiful. But I think that was beautiful, but also you didn't get a closure above. I mean, you kind of did here, but you did a bit of an impulse, didn't you? You know, you said before, closures are key. Make sure you wait for them closures. But good risk management, well done. Sorted. Risk management's key. The risk management is the only thing you can manage, so make sure you do it. Hello, Haroon. Hello, hello. Wow. we're literally averaging like 100 concurrent viewers consistently, so pretty good. Yeah, I want to see, because I don't think you can even do parallels on the new Macs anymore. Because if I wanted to, I'd buy like the new Mac. Oh, I love the design of it as well. It looks like the OG ones. But the issue is that I can't run Microsoft on it, so therefore I can't do MetaTrader and I can't use Magic Keys when I need that. So I'm gonna have to get. To be fair, these Legion Pros look pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. How much is it? It's only $2 grand. It's only $2 grand. It's not too bad. Core i7, not too shabby. And it's got a 3060 in, wow. And it's 165 Hz, that's what I want. I want to play some CSGO in the airports when I'm traveling, man. I'm gonna go fly out to Dubai, hell yeah. Fly out to Dubai, get some content on there. Gonna rent out a Lambo or some shit. What do we have to do for the £100 giveaway? Oh, you just have to be in the mentorship, my man. Mentorship. I gave them options as well of what they fancied. Yeah. So yeah, GJ, chilling. Yeah, Vin, did you take some profits over here? Hope you did. Hope you did. 4D. Here it is, Max. We are basically bearish most time frames. That won't work. Why is it in caps? Does that work? Nah, it didn't work. Didn't think it did. The new MacBook Pro M1 Max is insane. Yeah, I want to see the reviews on it. Has any big YouTuber done it yet? I'm a big fat nerd, so I watch all like the YouTubers. Like, I want to see Marcus Brownlee's one. Someone's got a 135 watching on his stream. Hell no. Your NZD. How does he have more people watching than me? What the fuck? He's got less likes though. He doesn't speak.
He's
Oh, there.
crazy moves and moves that are not very
He sounds like someone.
can't be explained. Like this move on Euro GBP, what the hell is
Where's he from? He sounds like someone. He sounds like a character of like a movie or something. GBPUSD, yeah. So it finally did get the closure back in the zone, kind of solidifying that as a fake out, which is all good. Editing so freaking fast. Yeah. To be fair, I edit some of my stuff on my iPad Pro, and that shit's fucking mad as well. He's from Albania. Jeez, is that how you guys speak? It's like American. Sounds a bit like American, but like I swear you sound like someone off like Monsters Inc. or some shit. Kosovo, nice. Yeah, Bitcoin over here still coming up. Nice. Someone just paid for my mentorship actually through Bitcoin. Pretty cool. Add to my Bitcoin portfolio. Yes, sir. The Bitcoin is coming my way. He's been on Wix Don't Lie some years back. Oh wow, beautiful. Good lad. I never heard of him. Do you enter on the 5-minute time frame, and why not if you don't? No, I don't. It's because it's very, very low confirmation. But what unless it's gold I will. But what I use the 5-minute for is for risk management. I always manage my trades in the 5-minute. I think it's easier. Nice. Even Kosovo, that's sick. Albania. Dude, that's cool, wicked. Yeah, I want to go traveling like through Europe and shit. Actually, I need to do that. Where's Albania? I'm so bad with geography. Where the fuck's Albania? Yeah, look at that rejection. So be careful. Always look to the left. You have resistance here, but you also have resistance kind of here as well. So be careful them zones. Be careful from them zones. Gold is starting to make some support. Nice. You know Bosnia or Serbia? Yeah. Bosnia or Serbia. I've been to is Bulgaria near there? I've been to Bulgaria. I went skiing in Bulgaria's cheap as chips. It's fucking mad. Oh. I'm so shit at geography. Especially like Europe and like, you know, like that kind of area. Like, I just don't fucking have a clue. Let's take a look at a world map. Lots of drugs over there. Ah, nice. Beautiful. It's beautiful down there. Nice. Yeah, it looks like GGA is coming relaxing. Pretty good. GBPUSD closing back in. GBPUSD did a nice one. Can you please make a full video on how to journal or trade in Excel? I didn't trade in Excel, but I do have a thing over here. 1 second. I have a video on my YouTube explaining how I journal my trades. I don't journal them anymore because I really don't have enough time. I literally fucking work all day. Here, how I journal my forex trades. There you go. 9 months ago, but pretty good. I go through
advertising
Trello.
on YouTube helps me.
Shut up. I go through Trello. It's really good. It's free as well. Let's take a look over here.
Your winners are really important to try and
Yeah,
maximise.
So I show you how to do that over here.
Journal now, and I've remembered this one.
2 dislikes. I like how people dislike how to trade a journal. Oh, they're so offended. GBPUSD, yeah, still coming in. Yeah, nothing really much to be fair, guys. Nothing really much. It's all good. Come to Pakistan, bro. But Pakistan looks fucking sick. I've seen on Raja's stories. Why does Uncle Ted trade so many trades in just one day? Does he trade different to you? No, he trades. Well, yeah, I think he trades. So basically, he's looking at the 5 minutes a lot. He trades at certain times. So I message him quite a lot, and we speak quite a lot on a daily basis. And he's taking the same moves as me, but he's taking like as in intervals. He'll take a lot of break-even trades. He'll take a lot of entries in the 5 minutes, waiting for little pushes in the first 2-3 minutes, and then exiting. That's what he does. He looks at the 5 minutes a lot. If you go back at like his trades, are very simple. Waiting for volume. So I mean, I can show you here. We every single day, because I know what time he trades gold. So like I always message him. Let's take a look over here. If you guys haven't followed Instagram, make sure to have it up. Oh my god, I got a lot of people to talk to over here. Where is he? Holy smokes! There we go. So I sent him a video here, and I go, "Did you catch this trade?" He goes, "Yep." Look, exactly the same every day. You catch this trade? Yep. I just know when you trade, and every single time I look and go, "Yeah, Ted definitely got that trade." Milan, wait. Serbia, bro, come and you'll see only beautiful girls. Nightlife is the best. Max Spider-Man polls, bro. Yeah, bro. England, Poland, Albania in the same group in FIFA 2022. Oh yeah, I seen that. Did anyone? Oh mate, did anyone see Ronaldo's goal? Holy smokes, mate, that's a goal and a half. I was bevved in Leeds, bro. I saw that goal live. That was fucking sick. Mate, that was a fire goal. That is like, come on. I mean, that. You want to see Messi doing that? Like, what the hell is that? He literally just absolutely twats it in. It's a class goal. He saves the coach again, bro. I know. I don't know why they kept on playing Ronaldo up front. Put 2 of them at the front. I think him and Cavani are great, and then they'll go, "Oh, well, they're old." Bro, I don't give a shit. Ronaldo is probably healthier than all of us combined. He doesn't fucking drink anything apart from water. He's probably got a body of a 20-year-old, so just leave him be. Holy shit, it's just his fucking age. Unless you start seeing him like crippling off, he's fine. Like, I just don't get it. Cavani, his work rate's better than every single person on that fucking pitch. So like, just leave him to it. Then the volley, yeah, man, it was such a sick shot. Yeah, Ronaldo on the left and Cavani on the right, and then Greenwood on the right. Like Greenwood, I think Greenwood should be a winger. Greenwood needs to realize that goals are not everything. He needs to start fucking passing the ball. Because the amount of times he gets in good situations where he can just square it. Like, he doesn't square it, he tries to go for the goal. Like, I get that, you know, he wants to be top scorer, but bro, come on, just win the games. Looking like potential NY setups. Yeah, for sure. I think, oh, look at GJ coming down, man. Holy smokes. Look at that hourly. This whole hourly is going to be flipping over here. Damn. Like son said, I don't retire yet, I want to play with you. Is that what he said? That's sick, that. I want to play with you. There's videos of like Ronaldo, like his kid just playing in like a Man United fucking park, like just in Manchester, with his mates and shit. It's mad. And I think finally Varane's back. I think that's good. It gives you a bit, because what the hell happened with Liverpool? Holy shit! Luke Shaw and Maguire were literally, Luke was getting pulled in way too far. Like, fucking stay on Salah, you retard. I like Luke Shaw as well, but his defending there was awful. I don't know what happened, but that's just a day, innit, mate? Shawberto Carlos not in form. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that rejection, though. Like, fucking hell, look at that. Mad. Look at that. So I said closure back in should fill the range up. Holy smokes. Like, that's just completely just eradicated all the gains. Instantly. Are you in the Ollie out camp? I think this getting rid of managers. I mean, he's obviously been in for a while, but I think getting rid of managers too early. Just a bit. I don't know. You know, it's always easy to blame the manager, but if like they're not running on the pitch, like that's like what you learn when you're like fucking 10 and they're getting paid 200 grand a week. I'll be running right all over that pitch. I wouldn't stop running. That range is still nasty. Yeah, man. Right, someone keeps on trying to join over here, and it's been unsuccessful. Maybe because your PayPal doesn't have enough money in or something. 20 seconds left. Come on. It's looking good. Holy smokes. The 4 hours closing. Holy smokes. You like cricket or football? I like football. I can't stand cricket. I've played it before and it wasn't enjoyable. Every single person that I know plays it always complains about how fucking long it is. Like, I don't know. It's just not for me. It's just not for me. Why? I just don't get why you'd want to sit on a pitch and get twatted by a fucking rock hard ball. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. What was that dump at 9 AM, innit? Oh my god. Someone said Tottenham United was the El Sacco. Yeah, I saw that, El Sacco or whatever. What was your biggest losing streak in terms of trades and percentage? I think I've taken like 3 losers in a row or 4. Around about like 5-6% loss maybe. Oh my god, what is happening? Like, this looks like news. I'm a bit cautious of this. This is laying on this space of like 1 5-minute candle. It's dropped like 30 pips. Like, holy shit. 4 hour closing now. Yeah, so 4 hours closing. It kind of didn't close below though, which is a bit annoying. I'd love it if that 4 hour just closed a bit lower, but looks like it is continuing over here. But I may wait for NY. This seems like a news, and I don't really want to be trading news, unfortunately. It looks like it's just pushing down. Man, that GJ sell you took, how is it going? Oh shit, yeah, Vin. Holy shit. Oh yeah, you think up there, like 50 pips. Oh, that's mad. That's mad. Damn. Okay, so it's coming down. It's kind of just pushed. Oh my god, yeah, this is definitely news. So I'm gonna be a bit cautious, because what news can do is news can rip down and then the next one make a nice top wick and then continue down. It's very, very risky. Let's just check on Forex Factory. It wasn't something that we could know about. Let's take a look over here. Oh yeah, there is. Oh, no, that's at 9:30 though. Final manufacturing PMI. I didn't see that shit. Wow. Vin is eating. Holy smokes. The break of the 30-minute low would have been nice entry, but little top wick. Gonna wait for NY. Exactly. Yeah, so what we're saying in here is, you know, we could probably get into a trade with a nice closure, you know, it's strong, but it didn't really close below for me. If this candle closed a bit further below, like, you know, around about, 1 second, like here, then the next one makes a top wick and then flips. That would be nice, with the top wick being the stop loss, because, you know, at the moment, where's your stop loss going to be? You're just going to have to guess and just like, oh, I'll put the stop loss like here or something. Like, there's no actual like structure. GU is falling. Yeah, I think all GBP pairs are falling over here. They're definitely some sort of news, because that isn't like normal. It just 1 5-minute candle running 30 pips on GJ. Holy shit! A lot of volume coming in. A lot of volume coming in, boys. But yeah, we are just chilling. It is 9 o'clock, so we know that volume does start to drop off normally. And normally I do wait until the NY session. Hey, look at that! Look what just happened there. And, oh, yeah, this market conditions is not for me. I want some, you know, kind of closures, nice, solid trades. Not any of this news kind of stuff over here. Looks like gold is starting to make some support from these lows. If it does exceed 1787 for NY, it should continue up. There's a nice zone to fill as well. Look at this zone, 50 pips. Oh! And hopefully Bitcoin can go to the moon, because I hold quite a bit of it now, so pretty good, pretty good. But yeah, I think I'm going to leave it here, guys. What time is it now? 3 past. Let's give it another 10 more minutes, and then we'll leave it. And the 4-hour gold is... Let's take a look. Yeah. So, like, what did these wicks show? You know, kind of rejecting the highs, rejecting the lows, small body of the candles shows some indecision. Buy some Shiba. I ain't buying Shiba. Hell no. Hell no. I've got... What time does NY open? Half 11, 12. Well, NY opens at 12, and then NYSE opens at like 1 o'clock, 1:30. But yeah, I normally start trading about 11:30 or 12. So if you want to join the mentorship group, I normally say to people, "Oh, I'll start at 12 today." And I'll look at half 11. And if half 11 looks good, then I'll start at half 11. If not, then I'll wait until 12. 12y boy. And there we go, look at that, it just came all the way back up. Holy smoke. So yeah, be careful with all this kind of stuff. When you start to identify that this is moving a bit random, you know, not random, but like a lot of volume, then, you know, be careful, because some people will be taking sells here. Now they just got hit stop loss. Be careful with all that stuff. Try not to, you know, enter on impulse just because you want an amazing trade. Maybe returns on Shiba. A lot of people did. My dad made quite a bit on it as well. I know that I hurt you at a time. Then the volume is gone. Better wait for NY. Exactly. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it here now. We're gonna be relaxing, waiting until NY, and then we're gonna start all over again. So thank you everyone on Zoom for coming on. If you guys do have any questions, make sure to ask me. Tomorrow is going to be the drop-in, so I'll give you like today to think of some questions if you guys want to ask me some questions, and then after this session tomorrow we'll be doing the drop-in session. So sitting there for an hour and you guys can ask me lots of different questions, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'll see you Zoom people later on. Thank you very much for coming on, and peace out. Thank you very much, Zoomy boys.
Cheers, man. Take care.
See you later, guys. See you later.
Yeah,
Peace
see you
out.
later, yeah, NY.
NY, yeah, boy. See you later. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, YouTube, for coming on. Make sure to give it a like on the stream before you leave, and we can have a really good session through NY. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, where we do the same thing again, rinse, repeat. Don't look if there's bad trades. You wait until there's good trades. And yeah, so thank you very much, guys. Peace out. Peace out. See you later, guys. Adios. Make sure to like the stream before you leave. Let's see you later, guys. Peace out.